How to fix the error. My cell phone turns on and off or gets stuck on the logo. Well, here we have this device that turns on, turns off, or restarts by itself. We're going to explain one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover it. How are we going to do it? Well, let's watch this video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details. We're going to do the following. We're going to locate our phone. We're going to locate our phone. We're going to do the following. We're going to wait for the phone to restart. Now we're going to position it here. We're going to do this. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Then when the phone turns off, release them and hold down the power button and the volume down button again. Now what are you going to do? You're going to locate the recovery option and click here with the power button. You're going to select that recovery mode. Now you're going to wait for the phone to restart. When the phone restarts, we'll have this option. Press the power button and the volume up button. After 3 seconds, release the volume up button and then the power button. What are you going to do here? First, you're going to go here where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Select it and click here where it says Factory Data Reset. By doing this, the phone will be formatting itself. Now, how do we recover it? We click here on the first option. The phone will be restarting. We're going to wait for the phone to restart, then finish this process, and that's all.